Since you are the man who is probably one of the most stylish entrepreneurs I've ever seen, and since my channel is a lot inspired by Antonio Centeno, who you have done a video with, and people call me the Indian version of Antonio Centeno, is what it is.
You got style. I saw even yesterday and today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Means a lot. I mean, this is what I try to tell them, and I sincerely believe in the importance of personal image and visual image. And since you are a multi-millionaire, you have been doing this for decades now. Do you think it's important for one to take care of themselves and to look a certain way?
100%, because the first impression anybody gets is what you look like, and then, so let's just say, think about it this way. I'll answer it in a different way. Any girl you and I see, what is the first thing we see? Their heart or their looks?
Their looks. How do they
look? In business, any business person you see, do you first see what they look like or how they think?
They look like.
They look like. That opens up for me to get to know what you have to say. So once I'm impressed by that, I say, wow, he looks sharp. What do you do? Then I start the conversation, and then we have the ability to do business. Now, some people see pictures of Mark Zuckerberg in a white shirt, or they'll see, you know, a lot of CEOs in white shirts, or they'll see me, I'm just doing a shirt, you know, I'm an entrepreneur shirt and I'm doing an episode, right? And they say, that's what I'm gonna wear. Okay, way before I dressed like that, I wore suits every single day. For 10 years, every day, I wore a suit. So I absolutely think style is very, very important for business and first impression.